If you're new here, my name is Sarah. I am very into the whole sustainable lifestyle. I love to upcycle and thrift clothes. 90% of my closet at this point is thrifted and upcycled, and also some clothes made from scratch. I also love to thrift and DIY home decor. So if you're into that, welcome. If you follow me on Instagram or just have watched a few of my previous home decor videos on my channel, you'll know that my apartment is still pretty empty and your girl is still very much on a budget. So there's always room for some decorating to happen in here. I wanted to head to the thrift store today and just do a few quick home decor DIYs for you and show you what I come up with. I'll show you what I'm wearing before we go. I got this top this weekend at this vintage pop-up. This top is so awesome. It has like these gold reflex and the stripes, and I just think it's so beautiful and it's so big and, you know, kind of over the top. I'm really into it. And then these are my jeans, my go-to jeans. I love these things. I upcycled them like a year ago now. And unfortunately I didn't document them, but I bleached them, I took them in, I added all these denim scraps. My favorite part is this back pocket. I love it so much. Let's go, shall we? It is just a beautiful fall day today. Chilly, but beautiful. I go to different thrift stores for different things, and I come to this one for home decor because they have so much good stuff, like so much. And we're back. I found so many good things, and I got a few of them for the DIYs I'm going to be doing today, but I found so many things for a video that I'm going to be doing later this month that I'm just amped about. I'm going to be doing a fully thrifted Thanksgiving tablescape. So I just couldn't wait, and I wanted to show you a few of the things that I got. The first one is this vase. How beautiful is this thing? It's like navy with a beautiful dripped glaze on it. Oh my gosh, I could not pass it up. I can never pass up handmade ceramics or pottery at the thrift store. I just think they are such a gem. I love when I find things that people have actually signed and like engraved on the bottom. $4, so good. How perfect is this? I'm so excited to use this in the tablescape. It was $3.50. Such a great deal. So perfect, right? Stay tuned. And then this next one is this marble looking candle stand. It's so pretty and elegant looking, and it was only $2. Yes. Lastly is this like dressing bottle. I thought it was so cool. It has all of these dressings on it and the recipes to make them right on the bottle. I just thought it was such a cool thing because I make my own dressings all the time. I like never use store-bought dressings, and I always just put them in little jars in my fridge. I was like, this is just adorable and perfect for me. Now moving on to today's DIYs. First up is the pillow that I got. I got a little throw pillow. It was $3. It's not covered. I thought I would quickly make up a plain cover for it and then kind of do something crazy and decorate the outside. Then next up, I already had this beautiful mirror and I got it for 25 cents, which just makes me feel great, you know? So I really want to hang it up. but it's just too small to hang by itself. So I've been thinking that I can do like a little textured hanging off the bottom, and it'll kind of just make it look a bit better on a wall by itself.
Falling helplessly, there's just one solution to this mystery.
The last one I picked up these coasters. I thought to spray paint the sides of them, like the edges, gold. And I think it would look really good on these because of the yellow and the pineapple. So I'm gonna try that.
Telling you so long, I'm still here, baby. After saying that I'd be gone.
Thank you so much for watching. I personally love these projects. They were super fun for me, so I hope that you possibly try them yourself and enjoyed watching. If you happen to make one of them, please show me. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. It would just make my day. Thanks again, and I hope to see you next time.
Still here after telling you so long. I'm still here, baby. After saying that